Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good, right? Okay, today we will learn accountancy. The fourth lesson we are learning, isn't it? Already we have learned what is ledger and its utilities and how to post them. Posting in the ledger we have learned that initial stage. Now, again, one more posting of journal entry, opening journal entry. How to post this opening journal entry in the books of accounts we will see today. Okay, here how this opening journal entry arrives, because we have learned already what is opening entry, closing entry, because at the end of the financial year all the balance sheet items will be entered, isn't it, in the balance sheet. Then that balance sheet items will be written in the form of a journal entry. That is called opening journal entry. Then from this journal entry we will post them in the ledger account, particular ledger account. Then that will be the opening balance. Okay. For example, in the balance sheet, what all the items will be appearing? All the assets, their liabilities, capital, isn't it? Any other outstanding expense, prepaid expense, accrued income, something like that they may have. So all these must be entered in the one entry, that is called opening journal entry. That entry will also be posted. Okay, that we will see now. See one illustration. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the book of joy from the following open entry. Opening entry is given: cash account debtor, stock account debtor, Sohan's account debtor, furniture account debtor, to Ram account, to Joy's capital account. Okay. Then how it is posted, you see, cash account. It is not written to Ram's account, no. Since it is opening entry, we should write that one, that date to balance brought down. First date of the next financial year only will be coming. Okay. Then every account, stock debited, so debit side to balance brought down. Sohan debit, so Sohan's account debit side to balance brought down. Write that alone and leave it. Then here furniture account also to balance brought down. Then Ram account is credited, so credit side by balance brought down. Okay, by balance brought down. Then Joy's capital account by balance brought down. That's it. Now, if it is compound journal entry, okay, compound journal entry, what we have to do? That is also very simple only. Okay, I will teach you with the book itself. Here we have made some compound journal entries. Either minimum 2 debits or 2 credits may be available in one journal entry. Okay, one debit and one credit is called single entry. Okay, single journal entry, simple entry. But if it is compound entry, it will have minimum 2 debit or 2 credits. So see this illustration. Journalize the following transactions. On May 20, 2018, Ram paid salaries, electricity charges and wages. You see the journal entry. One particular date, salaries debit, electricity charges debit, wages account debit to cash. How this will be posted? Salaries account, salaries debited, so to cash account. Then electricity, but salaries amount only we need to write. Okay, electricity charges account debit to cash. That to cash you should not write what is the amount and the electricity charges, that you should write here. Then wages account to cash 2000. Then in cash by salaries account, by electricity charges account, by wages account. It is very simple. Okay, one the compound entry, another one opening journal entry. Now we will learn the balancing of ledger accounts. Okay, balancing of ledger accounts. Balancing of ledger accounts. What is balancing of ledger accounts? What they have to do? They first total both the sides. Okay, they have to total both the side. Then find out the difference amount. Which side is having less amount? We need to find out the difference amount. Okay. Then in the less amount side, we should write balance carried down. The difference amount you have to write. Okay. After writing balance carried down, we have to write the greater total in the total amount. Okay, greater total only. Both the sides we have to write same total. Okay, same total only will be written, but that total must be the greater total on both the side. Then the difference amount we have written as balance carried down. Then on the next day of the month, next day of next month, we should write the other side balance brought down. Okay, this one we will do in this problem, in this cash account, how to close the account. Okay, balancing the account. This cash account I will show how to close it. See, first you have to total the greater side. Okay, greater side you leave here, either here or lesser side only we should write one line. So you draw one line, then next line you draw two lines. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, then write the total on both the side, greater total. See, 10,100. Same total you write here also, 10,100. Now find out the difference with the pencil. Okay, somewhere you find out how much we will get. 5,100, isn't it? That you have to write on the last day of the month. What is the last day of the month? June 30. To balance carry down. Carry down. Okay, 5,100 written. Okay. Then next month, here June, next month is what? July, isn't it? Below this line, July 1 by balance brought down. Okay, 5,100. Okay, this is called balance. Here, if there is balance credit side, we will say credit balance. Balance carried down on debit side and balance brought down on the credit side, we call it as credit balance. Okay, usually the cash account will not have credit balance. Okay, since here we need to have some other items also. Now I will explain one illustration. Okay. டேய் அங்க யாரு கல் அறுத்து தெரியுது டேய் பிடிச்சு கொண்டு கட்டி போட்டுருவேன் Students, don't think that I was scolded that neighboring children, they were throwing stone on the roof. That is outside they are on the way they are throwing stone. Okay. Here this one I will explain. Pass journal entries from the following transactions and post them to ledger accounts. Dharma started business with cash. Cash received from Ganesan. Rent paid. Received commission from Anand. Okay, here we know the first pass the journal entries, then post them to the ledger accounts. Here Dharma started business, journal entry, cash account data to Dharma's capital account. Then cash received from Ganesan. Okay, cash account data to Ganesan. Then rent paid, rent expense, rent account data to cash. Then received commission from Anand. Here cash account data to commission received. Okay, you should not write Anand account. Then we have to post them, not balancing them. If they ask only, you have to balance. Then third problem, following balances appeared: assets, cash, stock, amount due from Ram, machinery. Then liabilities, amount due to Vijay. Pass the opening journal entry and post them to Vinod's capital account. So we have to post them to the Vinod's capital account. Only we have to open Vinod's capital account alone. So what is the opening journal entry? Cash account data, stock account data. Here Ram's account data, machinery account data to Vijay's account. Then the remaining amount we have to write as capital. Okay, that capital only you have to write. Vinod's capital account by balance brought down you have to write. Okay. Then prepare furniture account. Here furniture account only we need to prepare. No need to prepare the journal entry. Okay, you have to do that one in your mind and you have to prepare the ledger account. So furniture account you have to prepare. Then furniture in hand, that is opening balance. So to balance brought down 2000. Purchased furniture for cash. So furniture account debtor to cash, isn't it? So furniture debit, so debit side to cash 4,000. Sold furniture 400. Here entry is cash account debtor to furniture. So furniture is credited. So credit side we should write by 400. Then total we should write. Okay, here 6,000, here 400. So 5,600 balance we will get. Isn't it? Credit side we will write by balance carried on. Then next day, February 1, to balance brought down. That is why here they have given debit balance. Okay. Then another one, the following balances appeared in the books of Kumaran on April 1, 2017. Assets, cash, stock, amount due from Rohit, furniture, liabilities, amount due to Anush, then Kumaran's capital. Find the capital and show the ledger posting for the above opening balances. So first we need to prepare the journal entry. Okay, opening journal entry, cash account debtor. In the same way that we did this third problem. Okay, cash account debtor, stock account debtor, then Rohit account debtor, furniture account debtor to Anush account, then Kumaran's capital account. It will get tally. Okay, now find the capital and show the ledger posting for the above opening balances. So each and every account must be opened, cash account. So debit balance, isn't it? So to balance brought down, you have to write 1 lakh. Stock account you have to open. To balance brought down 4,000. Then Rohit, to balance brought down 10,000. Furniture also in the same way. But Anush, you have to write credit side by balance brought down. Okay, then capital also by balance brought down. So to credit balance, that is why given here credit. Okay. Then sixth problem. Give journal entries and post them to cash account. So here we have to write journal entries for these three transactions and post them to cash account only. So post only cash account, no need to balance it. So entry cash account debtor to this person is not given, so simply you write capital account 1,10,000. Then introduced additional capital, again cash account debtor to capital account. Then withdrawn for personal use, entry drawings account debtor to cash. So you have to only one account we need to prepare, isn't it? Cash account. Here to capital 1,10,000, to again to capital 1,50,000. Here withdrawn cash by drawings account 20,000. Okay, 20,000. Then we need to take out balanced the account. Okay, balance it 1,60,000 both the side. Then credit side by balance carry down 1,40,000. Then next day July 1 here write to balance brought down 1,40,000. Okay students, I think you might have understood these problems. Okay, up to 6 you have to complete this one. Okay, in your notebook, and keep ready your notebooks. Okay students, I think we can stop today. Thank you students.